guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoor, washing your hand and not stepping out of house unnecessarily. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I take care of my body, and also I'll be talking about my favorite body care products. So guys, most of the time we take care of our face, but we tend to neglect our body. So if you want to keep your skin looking beautiful for as long as possible, you need to start pampering it right now. So let's quickly jump into the video and see all my favorite body care products. So let's quickly start with my shower routine. So first I'll talk about my shower gel. So I'm currently using the Nivea Power Clay shower gel. It has ginger and basil, and the power of clay perfectly balances the freshness, cleansing and the care. You get the most velvety soft skin after using this shower gel. So guys, it's not that I've recently started using Nivea product. I have been using Nivea product since, I don't even remember 7 or 8 years, and no matter how many new brands I try, but I always tend to go back to Nivea. After applying the shower gel twice a week, I also exfoliate my body skin. So to exfoliate my body skin, I use the Body Shop Official British Rose Exfoliating Scrub. Right after cleaning my body skin with the shower gel, I exfoliate my skin with the help of the Body Shop Official British Rose Exfoliating Scrub. First I wet my hand and then apply a small amount of scrub and gently exfoliate my skin with the help of this scrub. This scrub is really mild and you should exfoliate for 5 minutes and then wash it off. After washing your hand, just pat it dry and you can visibly see how glowing your skin becomes instantly. You can use any scrub which is available with you. So guys, if you want to maintain a beautiful looking skin, you need to take care of your body skin. You need to pamper your skin from time to time. So once in a month I do body polishing routine, and this is totally optional. It totally depends on your skin. You should be careful. If you have a sensitive skin, you should not exfoliate it a lot. So once in a month I use the body polish by Body Shop. So once I'm done with my shower routine, I moisturize my body. So to moisturize my body, I have been using the Nivea body lotions. Once I'm done with my shower routine, I take a small amount of my Nivea whitening lotion and I apply it all over my hand and my leg. This lotion completely hydrates your skin and protect it against the harmful UV rays. Once I'm done with moisturizer, the last thing which I do is apply a good deodorant. So I've been using the Nivea Fresh deodorant. Girls, it is so important to, smell beautiful, smell fresh, and you need to maintain the freshness of your body. So if you're going out, you should always apply a deodorant. So I've been loving the Nivea Fresh Natural Deodorant, and I also sometimes apply the Nivea Whitening Roll-On. So these are the two deodorants which I use. So that's it guys, that was all my favorite body care products. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can download the Foxy app. The link is available in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you guys super soon. Bye.